Hey,
Hello.
hi. Yeah, hi.
I'm Chocolate. Welcome.
Yeah. I'm Steven.
Hi, Steven.
Hi, or you can call me Titi.
Hello, Steven.
Yeah. Yes. I know I signed up for class, but I think I signed up for
Sign up
every.
for BJJ class?
No, every class I think if
You-
possible.
Is this new or
Yeah,
you
it's
learn
new.
elsewhere? Or
No. Not
It's your
elsewhere.
first Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu class?
Yes.
Also, you bought this before you even had a...
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
I don't know which one I'm supposed to have.
Uh-huh.
I just.
But this is okay, this is your size, I think.
Yeah. I don't know which one I'm supposed to have, but I just got everything.
Okay.
Yeah. And then also right, I know I have this apparently.
For this... Wow, this is branded.
Yes. That's what they say.
For Muay Thai and boxing. For boxing.
Then they also say I need this. I don't know. And oh yeah, one more. I don't know. I can't figure out which one to put it.
You sign up for which class again? Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, right?
Everything I think. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. They say this one to put at the mouth. But I think at the nose.
This one? This one is a mouth guard. Mouth guard. No. You're supposed to wear it like you're supposed to put it inside your mouth. Yes. To protect, your no the other way around, your teeth and your gums. Yes, this way.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
But that's like only if you like do contact sparring and stuff.
Oh, so can I wear all of this later or what?
Usually
I
you
like-
start off with white belt, so the rest you can keep them. Let me show you where you can change.
Oh, okay. Oh, not here.
Changing room? Come and show you.
Oh, okay.